Ever wondered what the top 5 waterfalls in the world are? Waterfalls, they are nature's grandest spectacle, cascading down from heights, showcasing the raw power and majesty of our planet. In this video, we'll explore the top 5, based on their height, location, and the breathtaking amount of water they pour every second. Expect a journey filled with captivating visuals, intriguing facts, and the undeniable beauty of these natural wonders. Ready to dive into the list? Let's start with number 5. Starting our countdown at number 5, we have the Plitvice Lakes in Croatia. These stunning lakes showcase a cascade of 16 terraced lakes, connected by waterfalls that flow into a limestone canyon. With each lake varying in colors from azure to green, gray, or blue, they add a magical hue to the scene. The tallest waterfall, known as the Large Waterfall, stands at an impressive 78 meters. Located in the heart of Croatia, within the Plitvice Lakes National Park, this site is a UNESCO World Heritage, attracting nature enthusiasts from all around the globe. The estimated gallons of water that flow every second here is a sight to behold. Now here's a fun fact. These lakes are known for their distinctive colors, which change constantly depending on the quantity of minerals or organisms in the water and the angle of sunlight. Moving on to the next waterfall, be ready to be amazed. At number 4, we have the Iguazu Falls in Venezuela, a natural spectacle that truly lives up to its heavenly name. Iguazu Falls is the world's highest uninterrupted waterfall, boasting an impressive height of nearly 1 kilometer. That's 3 times the height of the Eiffel Tower. Located in the heart of Venezuela's Canaima National Park, this waterfall is as remote as it is magnificent. It's surrounded by tepuis, or tabletop mountains, adding to its ethereal beauty. The falls gushes an estimated 210,000 gallons of water per second, cascading down into the Carib River below. Now, for a fun fact about Iguazu Falls. Did you know this waterfall was named after Jimmy Angel, an American aviator? He was the first to fly over the falls in the mid-20th century. His adventurous spirit lives on every time someone mentions the name of this breathtaking waterfall. Let's move to number 3 on the list. Are you still with us? Number 3 on our list is the famous Niagara Falls, located between the border of USA and Canada. This colossal cascade is a breathtaking spectacle that never fails to awe its spectators. Its height may not be as intimidating as other waterfalls, standing at a modest 167 feet, but what it lacks in height, it makes up for in sheer volume. An estimated 6 million cubic feet of water tumble over the crestline every minute during high flow, making it one of the most powerful waterfalls on our planet. Nestled between the twin cities of Niagara Falls, New York, and Niagara Falls, Ontario, the falls have been a source of inspiration and a place of beauty for centuries. Here's a fun fact. The Niagara Falls is actually made up of 3 different waterfalls: the American Falls, the Bridal Veil Falls, and the Horseshoe Falls. Ready for the top 2? The suspense is building. Coming in at number 2, we have the Victoria Falls, straddling the border of Zimbabwe and Zambia. This awe-inspiring cascade is a towering 354 feet tall, discharging an impressive 500 million cubic liters of water every minute. Nestled within the lush savanna landscape, it boasts a unique spectacle known as the moonbow, a lunar rainbow visible during full moon nights. A truly magical sight. Are you ready for the number 1 waterfall in the world? Here we go. And finally, the top spot goes to the breathtaking Iguazu Falls, located between Argentina and Brazil. This magnificent waterfall system consists of 275 individual falls stretching over 1.5 miles. The tallest of these, known as the Devil's Throat, plunges an impressive 269 feet into the river below. The Iguazu River, which feeds the falls, pushes an estimated 1.5 million gallons of water over the edge every second during the rainy season. That's enough to fill 20 Olympic-sized swimming pools in just 60 seconds. And here's a fun fact. The name Iguazu comes from the indigenous Guarani words for big water, and big it certainly is. This waterfall is so vast that it straddles 2 countries, creating a natural border between Argentina and Brazil. And there you have it. The top 5 must-see waterfalls in the world. Which one is your favorite? Now that we've taken you on this virtual tour of the world's most majestic waterfalls, we're curious to know, which of these natural wonders would you love to see in person? Would you brave the thunderous spray of Iguazu Falls? Or perhaps marvel at the emerald waters of Plitvice Lakes. Maybe you're drawn to the height of Angel Falls or the sheer power of Niagara and Victoria Falls. We'd love to hear your waterfall wish list. So go ahead, take a moment to imagine yourself standing at the edge of these awe-inspiring cascades, feeling the cool mist on your face, and listening to the roar of the water as it tumbles into the depths below. And once you've made your pick, don't keep it to yourself. Share your waterfall dreams in the comments below. We can't wait to read about your favorites and why they've captured your imagination. Who knows? Your comment might just inspire someone else's next great adventure.